Good morning, welcome to the FSD Day 2. Today we're driving from Hobsonville Point to Swanson. About 16 minutes drive over here. Oh, I forgot to turn my microphone on, sorry about that. It's being always extra cautious around on these roads over here. There's just too many cars for us. And there is a stop sign over here, or stop sort of marking on the ground. It just gets the car very confused every single time, so it's very slow around here unless you press the pedal. Let's accelerate up, please. There we go. There's people on the streets. Apology. Thank you. Accelerate, otherwise the speed is just quite low compared to what I would like. Speed is just too slow. Accelerate. See, even if I set the speed offset to 10%, it still automatically falls to about 43, 44 when the speed limit is 50. It's always quite slow. Alright, at least we are good on this corner, that's good. There's barely any hesitation, that's a good turn. I hope the rear car does not hate me. I was really slow around the giveaway. Well, Tesla was really slow. Choose the left lane, that's good. wait, and good go. Yeah, nice. I feel like giveaways and also roundabout entering is always really good on the Tesla. Just does a job like a proper, like manual driver, I shall say. Now 96 max. I've got no idea what happens. Let's do 102 max. At least I can get up to a little bit more speed. Okay, 100 this time. Are we getting off from here? Okay. Sorry, I wasn't aware of the navigation thingy. Finding the land. It's finding the land. Okay. Ooh. It's a good turn. Easy. straight ahead from here. That's quick, no hesitation. And this time it does use the indicator. Okay, let's see how we're gonna drive past these bicycle. Good decision. I'll do that as well. Nice. Because you have to keep at least 1 meter against the bikers, so that was a good decision. Nah, it's too slow. 50k and still 39. Okay, roundabout over here. Stanfield crossing. Good one. Now see this one getting out of the lane, getting out of the roundabout, no indicator. I think we're going through a kind of country road on the next 3 minutes. Let's see how this handles that. Following lanes is not an issue for Tesla. I think it follows the lanes really good. Just the speed sometimes can get quite slow. I'd rather to see it accelerate just a bit more. These roads are very much like many country roads, out of town roads in New Zealand. Very windy, low speed, big corners here and there. This is easy for Tesla. Only thing I would wish it could improve is just pretty much the speed. For someone who will be driving on this road quite often, your speed, if you're driving it on your own, is going to be a lot faster than what FSD is doing. But I also understand FSD doesn't want to go super fast when it can see big corners in front of us. This is a one-way bridge. We actually have the priority to go. Doesn't look like there's any traffic, so we are good to go. I think this gets confused. Okay, it's fine. I hesitate just by 1 second and then going through again. I didn't press the pedal, by the way. I was probably trying to grade the other Tesla across the road. As you can see right now, someone's coming behind me and he's tailgating me very hard. And yeah, I do understand. Tesla is just moving a little bit too slow according to the speed limit. Now the last to give way. Good. No risk. Sorry for the shake. Alright, we are here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you found my video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. Ooh, it's finding its own parking space. It's amazing. There we go. Ooh. You're just stopping here, right on the driveway. All right. Anyway, see you next time.